Hey everybody, Mr. Anderson here, and I'm going to give you a Spark Talk about what a Spark Talk is. So what's a Spark Talk? Well, it is a fun, fast, and engaging presentation. So it'll be on a given topic, and then it moves in a sequence to keep it moving and keep it fresh and keep it flowing. Here's a little bit more of the math behind that. There are 12 slides in a Spark Talk. Each one lasts on the screen for 10 seconds. That's 120 seconds. If you divide it by 60 seconds, which is in a minute, you're left with a 2-minute presentation in all. For this particular Spark Talk, you're going to be talking about 3 things that you've learned about the world or yourself from this course. So it could be some of the facts or even some of the things that you learned you could do that you didn't think that you could. Also, you'll have to include 2 projects you enjoyed or that you're most proud of. So think back and again, reflect on your experiences and you'll choose 2. Lastly, you'll include 1 thing you remember most about this course. It could be a fact, it could be a project, it could be an experience. It could be just a larger view of what you have about the world now that you've had a chance to take this class. In order to be successful, there are multiple keys to follow. The first of which is to be sure you address the 3, 2, and 1 in terms of the content covered in your Spark Talk. Another key, include evidence. You've got that tutorial portfolio of all the projects we've done, as well as the learning and the reflections. And also Google Classroom is a good place to go to get the stuff that you need. Another key, to keep the text really brief, 8 written words or less on a slide. In this case, less is more. Think visual and use them as bullet points to prompt you for your talking. Also, think about the design and layout of your slide. What's going to be visually appealing? Pick a consistent color palette between your 12 slides so it all is a nice common theme to it. Lastly, and maybe most importantly, is to rehearse the timings. 10 seconds will seem for some slides really short, other slides really fast. But by practicing it multiple times, you'll sort of figure it out. And that is my Spark Talk about how to make a Spark Talk. Can't wait to see yours.